Colonel Sanders and the Secret Recipe. Once was a man named Harlan David Sanders, better known as Colonel Sanders, who faced failure after failure before creating the global brand KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Colonel Sanders was over 65 years old, retired, and living off a $105 Social Security check. He had one thing, a fried chicken recipe that people loved. So he decided to try and sell his recipe to restaurants. He traveled door to door, cooked his chicken for restaurant owners, and tried to make a deal. But guess what? He was rejected 1,009 times before someone finally said yes. Most people would have given up after a few rejections, but not Sanders. He believed in his recipe, believed in himself, and refused to quit. Eventually, his chicken recipe became wildly popular, and KFC turned into a billion-dollar brand, with thousands of outlets around the world. Moral of the story: age is just a number. Persistence and belief in yourself can turn any failure into success. Never give up, no matter how many times you're rejected.